No, let's go there. You leave your slipper there on the shoreline. Where's the slipper? Oh. Oh, on my back, ride on my back. You wanna ride my back? On my back. Oh, it's so dirty there. Oh, it's full of mud. Let's go there, let it. It's clean. Over there is clean. Come on. Here, oh. Oh. Come on. Hey. Oh, a lot of fish. Oh, wow, it's a lot of fish. Let's get a picture. Let's take a picture. No, do not. Make the water splash. Come here. Come here. It's very shallow here, oh. Oh, look. It's very shallow here. Let's play here, oh. The waves is bigger there. Here the wave is smaller. See? There's no waves here.
Oh, the moon.
Why you with your head? Come on.
No.
Okay, that's all up. Nap na. Just there. Oh, why are you running away? The waves there are bigger. I said to you, the waves there are bigger. Come here. Here is the waves is small. Hermit crabs. Yeah. Let's look for another hermit crab here. Here. They're running. Look. That one. It's like an hermit. No, that's a garbage. This one. Ah, it's a stone. No, do not. Do not splash the water. We cannot see what's under the water. We're looking for another hermit crab. Turn your back when the waves is coming. Turn your back. I said turn your back. You must turn your back so that you will not be hit hard. I will throw this. I will set them free. Okay, this one I will throw and set them free. Ah. There, oh, the hermit crab's running, oh. So fast. There, oh. Oh, there, the hermit crab, oh. There. I will catch it. Here again. I will throw this deal farther. Turn your back. A big whip. I said turn your back. What's for the big whips to come? Turn your back. You must turn your back. In my back, right in my back. Around the dip. Come on, swim to the seashore. You swim by holding my hand, then you swim. So you know, you will know. Oh, swim. You swim.
I'm saying no.
Fighting. Come on. Hold tight. Oh, big waves. Do not fish the wave. Turn your back. knows if the sun is dancing. Lot of fish, huh? Ayan, palubog na ang araw. Wala kang balak. Tumigil tong palubog na. Malaman mo anong oras na. Payapa ang dagat. Simula na ang hangin habagat. Ayan po yung maghari. Kiki, where are you going?